Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Mini Cooper Shift knob easy method. Start by parking, engaging the handbrake, and removing the old knob by twisting or unscrewing while holding the boot steady. Gather the replacement, any adapter, and a small Allen key. Test fit before final tightening, then secure the new knob and ensure it shifts smoothly through all gears. Take your time and keep parts organized. Begin by removing the trim and securing the boot away from the knob carefully. If your knob uses a clip, pry gently with a trim tool and keep the clip safe. For threaded knobs, counter-hold the shaft and turn the knob counterclockwise until it detaches. Clean the shift shaft of debris and inspect adapters or set screws before installing the new knob to ensure a snug fit and reliable shifting. Fit any required adapter onto the shaft and align the new knob with the gear pattern or position. Tighten set screws to manufacturer torque or hand secure, then test for looseness and correct alignment. Reinstall the boot and trim, then shift through all gears while parked to confirm smooth operation. Make small adjustments as needed and avoid over-tightening to prevent thread damage or impaired shifting feel. Enjoy improved feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.